Hey, what's good, y'all? Your boy Sneak back with another one, and it's gonna be a real quick video on how to save lettuce seeds. So y'all see what we got going on right here. Hopefully, got some big old lettuce plants that I've been harvesting off for months now. They done bolted. And I just let them go ahead go to seed so I can save some of this. You know what I'm saying? So taking a look at it, you know what I mean, they bolt up real high, and if you got a lettuce plant that ends up bolting, I got two of them right here, you gonna end up seeing some yellow flowers like this one right here where my thumb is at. You're gonna end up seeing some yellow flowers open up. They go open up for a little while, then you go start seeing these purple bulbs. They're not ready at that point, but once you see these white tufts that kind of look like dandelion tops, those are ready for seed. Once they get to that point, you know what I'm saying, they pretty much, the seeds are pretty much ready, and that's the way that they the seeds travel. It's pretty much just like a dandelion. They wait for the wind to come and blow and pick them up, and you know what I mean, and the seeds blow somewhere else and get planted. So I let this go to seed so I can save some this year. This is red, both of these red lettuce plants. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how to do that right quick. You know what I'm saying? Pretty simple and easy. Alright, and I know I got a lot going on over here. You know what I'm saying? I got tomatoes and mullein and all types of stuff growing over here, but don't pay none of that no mind. Just got a little container, you know what I'm saying, from a used container, and pretty much all you got to do is come and pluck these heads and drop them on something. Yeah, that's in frame. Now as you pull these, you want this to be pretty dried out. You don't want to be watering these type of lettuce plants. You pretty much just want to let them go, and they just need the bare minimum amount of water to survive. Now as you pluck these off, you want the tops to come, but you don't want the whole stem coming with it. And pretty much one plant is going to give you hundreds and hundreds of seeds. And I got a bunch of good ones on here, so now some of them maybe have already been picked up and carried by the wind, and if that's the case, that's fine. You know what I mean? Just go on to the next one, because all of these are going to mature at slightly different times. You see some of these the tufts are open right now, and some of them have the purple bulb, and some of these, if y'all look closely, it's the little closed up yellow flowers on here. So what I'm gonna do is just get a couple of these and show y'all what the seeds actually look like. I'm not gonna sit here and pluck these entire things. I just want y'all to get the gist of it. Alright, that should be enough to show y'all. Alright, so take a look. These little, the little black seeds, those are your lettuce seeds, you know what I'm saying? And all the rest of this, that's just parts from the plant. So what you can do, you just tap this and not necessarily blow on it, but put your breath on it lightly. It'll blow some of the excess stuff away, and you'll have just seeds. So you know what I mean, you can do this, save some seeds, put them away, keep them in a cool dark place, cool dark dry place, you know what I mean. And lettuce seeds, or you can save these for years, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna keep on picking these, you know what I mean. I want some more than this. I'm pretty much going pick a bunch of seeds all that I want and then pull these plants and plant something else right there. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get a close-up for y'all of you know, what these seed pods actually look like when you pluck them. So when you pluck one, this one came with the whole thing. That one not ready yet. So when you pluck them, where's a good one? Here's like a good one. You pluck it off. The tufts, let's see if that'll focus. The tufts are going to be at the top. At the bottom of the pod, you see that black part at the very bottom. That's where all of the seeds are going to fall off, and they're going to be, you know, attached to the tufts. So you literally can just pinch the tufts, and at the bottom of your finger, just roll it, and it's, you know, the seeds should fall right out. I'll do one more for y'all. You know, you plunge it, plug it up, at the pod, roll it, and the seeds should fall right out. There you go. See? And then you can take that tuft, the plant part that's still in your hand, and just toss that. Easy way to go. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. You know what I'm saying? If this helped you out at all, go ahead and leave a like. Leave a comment if you got any questions, anything like that. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squad.